In today's video, we delve into the multifaceted uses of baking soda, also referred to as sodium bicarbonate, showcasing its versatility in enhancing both personal well-being and household upkeep. We'll uncover 11 ingenious baking soda hacks, offering invaluable insights to uplift your health regimen and revamp your living environment. Stay tuned until the conclusion as we unveil the potential drawbacks of excessive baking soda usage in everyday scenarios. 1. Neutralizes stomach acid. Baking soda can help alleviate heartburn by neutralizing excess stomach acid temporarily. However, it's important to use it in moderation as excessive intake can lead to imbalances in the body. 2. Oral health. Baking soda's alkaline nature makes it effective in neutralizing acids in the mouth, reducing the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. It also acts as a gentle abrasive, aiding in plaque removal. 3. Skin care. Baking soda can soothe skin irritation and act as an exfoliant, promoting smoother and brighter skin. It also helps absorb excess oil and has mild antiseptic properties. 4. Boosts laundry detergent. Adding baking soda to laundry can enhance detergent performance by raising the pH level of the water, softening it and removing odors from fabrics. 5. Cleaning grout. Baking soda paste effectively cleans grout by breaking down stains and lifting dirt. It's particularly useful when combined with vinegar for deeper cleaning. 6. Pest control. Baking soda may deter pests like ants and roaches due to its texture and smell, though it should be part of a comprehensive pest management strategy. 7. Antifungal properties. Baking soda can help treat fungal infections on the skin by reducing moisture and disrupting the acidic environment fungi thrive in. 8. Relieves urinary tract infections. Baking soda can alleviate symptoms of UTIs by raising urine pH, making it less acidic and reducing irritation in the urinary tract. 9. Enhances exercise performance. Ingesting baking soda before exercise may delay muscle fatigue by buffering acid buildup in muscles, thus improving performance. 10. Improves kidney function. Baking soda may help alleviate metabolic acidosis by neutralizing excess acid in the blood, thus reducing strain on the kidneys. 10. Weight management. Baking soda's digestive benefits and exercise-enhancing properties may indirectly support weight management by promoting better digestion and metabolic health. However, it's essential to be mindful of potential downsides, such as sodium content, electrolyte imbalances, and alkalosis, especially for individuals with certain health conditions like kidney disease. If you're considering incorporating baking soda into your routine, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.